Today we introduce you TX-HW500 hydrogen-rich water machine. Connect the power and turn on the machine. We can set the temperature and hydrogen-rich water. Now it produces 200 ml hydrogen-rich water at 45 degrees centigrade. There are two water tanks, which are drinking water tank and hydrogen production water tank. Hydrogen concentration is high at 25 degrees centigrade, then 45 degrees centigrade. What's more, we can choose to make 315 ml and 500 ml hydrogen-rich water. Hydrogen-rich water is the best antioxidant. Drinking hydrogen-rich water every day to enjoy a healthy life.